Hello aspirants, today I am going to discuss with you how UPSC aspirants are regularly maintain their times with their works and their other things, because UPSC is not a 100-meter race. This is a marathon. You all know this is take times, and if you want to complete full syllabus, then you have to need minimums 1.5 year times. So you have to understand 1.5 year time is very important to firstly cover the full syllabus. So the all the problems come in when you think that you are very exceptional students, you are very talented students, but sometimes we fail to understand the syllabus, the structures of these examinations, and these examinations is not only for the getting jobs, it's make you a better human, better persons, because in this process of examinations you learn so many things that was come in your what, that's make your common sense better and give you wide angle perspectives, and you understand how geopolitics works, how day-to-day life works, how government systems is works, how government machinery is works. So everything is new learning, new lessons for you. So right now we discussing how we manage our times with UPSC exams. So firstly, when we wake up, we have to, there was two types of peoples aspirants are living in these worlds. Basically in India there are some peoples like to read and write on night, so they are actually in night owl, and some students like to read and write in day times, or some are comfortable in both times. So you have to understand what is your strengths. Are you actually liking nighttime readings or you liking daytime readings? That is depending upon you, what you are comfortable and what make you comfortable. And second thing is how to manage times. As a commons aspirants, I say you, if you just wake up in morning 6 a.m. This is usually all peoples have to wake up in these times, and 6 to 6:30 a.m. for fresh up, and you after 6:30 to 7:30 you can go for morning walk, yoga and other exercises like you go to gym or any other free hand exercise you can do in your home only. So this is the time for exercise. If you choose yoga, walking, running, that is very low costings. There was no need to expend the money. It was sustainable, and it not only make your health better, but it was affect your mental health also. So we all right now, this is the age of 2025s, we living in ultra modern era. There was many tensions come in our minds, we are already in very stressed, so we have to need some work in our mental health also. So if you use yoga, if you do pranayama, this is the exercise of breathing, breathe in, breathe out. only this pranayama based on these things. So if you do these types of exercise in your regular lives, so you get enhance your capability, enhance your systems, brain systems to do more things, because UPSC need very mental stability. If you are non stables, and if you think this is, if you don't think in general basis, if you don't think in how, because you have to need a general approach to get success in these examinations. So this is go 6:30 to 7:30, and after that you can take breakfast and some rest within 8 a.m. After that 8 to 9 a.m. is very crucial. These times you can revise your lessons, whatever learn you yesterday whatever learn, you can revise in these times 8 to 9 a.m. because we read lot of things, we write lot of things, but we cannot revise, and these types of persons are not able to clear the examinations, because this examination is very very critical. You have to understand and you have to revise everything day to day basis. And after 9 p.m. what you do? This is very big questions. You have to understand the process of examinations. We all know when mains examinations is comes, then there was 2 slot, 9 to 12 p.m. and 2 to 5 p.m. There was 3 hours and there was 3 hours. So if you make yourselves regularly give, if you give regularly 9 to 12 p.m. a mock exams in your own, that's enhance your capability, and you get a habits, you make a habits that you just give these times for the mock examinations or others things, and you have to understand this time is only for reading, writings or only. So this 3 hours sitting is very important. You have to sit these 3 hours, that's give you only the good things. So after 12 p.m. through 2 p.m. what you do? You do lunch and make sure and some revised what you going to 2 to 5 p.m. There was also you go and give mock test, and this is your ideal regular routines. You whatever you are a night owls, you are habituals to read and write in night times, that is also okay, but you have to understand this is this time for the examinations time. So you have to understand and you have to give these times for your mock test and examinations purpose. And so we finish our day times how we use. After that you can 5 to 6 p.m. you can go for walk, and meet your friends and family. This is for your relaxation times. And after that 6 to 9 p.m. these 3 hours you have to learn so many things, whatever you understood. So whatever you take lessons from classes or other things, you have to every day 3 hours must learns, and 9 to 10 p.m. you can read newspapers and go through current affairs. So this is very important. You have to need to read regularly newspapers or current affairs, whatever you choose, that is depending upon you. So this is go for a aspirants, regular aspirants lives. But you are not a regular aspirants. If you are a working professionals, then what happens? Then you have to change your schedule according to your work or according to your aspirations, according to your mindset. What? So this is another chapters. You can follow our channels. We surely make a video who are professionals, who are working professionals. They have many examples are here. Many toppers are working professionals. They compete these examinations with their work. So you can also do it. Don't worry. Thank you. If you like our channel, please subscribe it and make sure to follow these types of routines what make you good. Thank you.